Very much. Welcome everyone to the webinar. Thank you for joining us. So high level, what we'll cover today is we're going to go through what the Acumatica platform is, high level navigation and dashboards, just to give you an idea of what the system is. But we really want to focus on what the project portion of the system can do, how it can track your cost and your revenue, some of the project management tools, and then reporting and advantages over the competition. Keep in mind that the edition that we're showing is called the Acumatica Construction Edition, but I want to make a note of that when we're talking about industries that this serves. It's not only the construction edition. This works in professional services industry, like what we do here. We are a professional services company, and project accounting is the core of what the construction edition is. And therefore, it's useful in professional services, in service industries, design and install, right? And the great thing about design and install, and we won't touch upon it here, but that if that is part of your business where you are manufacturing any piece of your product, Acumatica also handles the manufacturing aspect of it, right? And then all types of repair and maintenance. This is anything from HVAC to plumbing to electricians to landscape companies. It fits in all of these industries because of the tools that are built into Acumatica natively. As with any system, there are abilities to integrate if you have preferred systems that you're already using. But I think you'll find that a lot of the out-of-the-box tools that Acumatica provides in their quote-unquote construction edition, right, which I think is a better term for it, as a project accounting edition, they're more than sufficient for most organizations. Of course, they can always be enhanced. Before we jump into the demo as well, some of the project types that can be easily handled by what Acumatica does is internal projects. So this is straightforward. This is if, example, on our side, we have product development projects that we're working on that are not for a customer, but we want to be able to track budget and cost and resources against it. So you can easily do internal projects, manage all aspects of the cost on that. And then your external projects to customers, if you have fixed price projects, if you have time and materials projects, work in progress, which is what I'm going to show in the demo, the work in progress aspect of it. But you can do any hybrid in between with the different projects and the different, more importantly, the billing types, right? Because that's what's important, to be able to get accurate, timely billing out to your customers in your field of business. So without further ado, I'll jump into the demo part of it. Not your questions yet, because I still have to do the demo. Apologize. Let me drag my screen over here. Okay. And what you're seeing here is a dashboard view of Acumatica. Before I go into that, what I'm going to do is quickly sign out and just show you. This is the login page. So Acumatica, like what many softwares are now transitioning to, is a cloud-based system. So Acumatica from the beginning was one of the leaders in cloud-based ERP. So as you see, their tagline here is Acumatica, the cloud ERP. So what this means is, as long as you have a browser and internet, you can access your system. There's no need for on-premise servers. There's no need for server maintenance. There's no need for any of that with Acumatica. It is all hosted for you on the cloud. Your data is not only safe and secure, you have the redundancy of the cloud servers, but more importantly, you can access it anywhere.